How to set game booster shortcut to take screenshot or screen recorder on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up Gaming Hub, then tap on the More button, and then tap on Game Booster. After that, we go down and tap on Shortcuts. In here, you can choose Screenshot or Record to start a screen recorder. Now, to use the shortcuts, make sure your navigation bar set to gesture navigation. If you set to buttons navigation, then this option will not be available. Okay, so once we have choose a settings, let's go back. So here I will go back to my gaming hub and start a game. In here we got the Fortnite game running. I think that just closed by itself. Okay, so here we have the game opened. So we swap in on the edge, and this will open up the shortcut. You can see here I have the screen recorder shortcut, so I can quickly tap on that and start to record my screen. Here I can switch it to go and open up, so I can set my shortcuts to open up screenshot. So if I go back into my game, okay, so now this time you can see there is a shortcut, a screenshot shortcut. So I can tap on that button to quickly capture a screenshot. And this settings only available if you are using swipe gesture navigation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.